This is the cheapest Batarang in the world. Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are all well by God's grace. In today's video of Season 2 of Art Fiber, I will show you my handmade Batarang. Also will show its price, specifications, and what will be inside the box. In fact, there is a reason behind the fact that I haven't boxed the product yet. The Batarang and some extra papers are wrapped in bubble wrapping paper inside the box. I am showing these papers later. If I talk about Batarang, I will say that it is completely made using paper box, and one of its ingredients is paint and glue. Recently, my friend Murf requested me to make Batarang of Justice League, also in very limited budget. So I made the Batman's Batarang to surprise him. Its price is 200 Bangladeshi taka or $1.90 US. There is nothing special in the extra papers, but I have shown you everything once. Again, due to some technical errors, I could not make a long video for so long. So far I have only given details about some craft made. Later, I will try to give a video with details about how I made these crafts. I stuck the box using both side tape. Let me tell you a good news. Soon, inshallah, I may be able to upload a long video on the channel. Now it's time to say goodbye. That's it for today. See you in the next new video.